In this video, I want to show you how a student would access a Zoom meeting that had been set up by the teacher. In most cases, these links will be put in Google Classroom. Some teachers may elect to email them, but we're going to go through the Google Classroom to show you where you might find it. I'm going to click on the Google waffle up here and choose Classroom. When Classroom opens, we're going to open the class where the link would be. And I'm going to click on Classwork. And down here it is, the example Zoom meeting, and right there, join the Zoom meeting. If you are on a laptop, desktop, Chromebook, you can just click that link. It would also work on tablets and things, but if you are using an iPad or cell phone or something like that with a Zoom app on it, you can use this meeting ID to join the meeting. So if I click on this, it's going to go directly to the Zoom meeting that was set up. Open Zoom. If you don't already have it downloaded, then it would ask you to download it. And I'm going to show you another way to do this. You can also, if you open up Zoom, I don't need the video recorded. You can open up your Zoom app and just click join. You need the, let me go back to, here's my Classroom. Here's Classroom. Back to Classroom, and you can copy the meeting code and then go back to Zoom, and you can click join, and you can put the meeting ID in that and click join. And then now I'm in the video again. So that's the way your students will join the teachers' Zoom meetings.